Hello guys, welcome to Genius Developer. So today we are going to discuss one of the most beautiful Java 8 interview question, guys. If you go for any Java backend interview or Java full stack development interview, so definitely this question is going to occur. It can be TCS, Wipro, Infosys, IBM, Capgemini, CL Cognizant, any company you go, definitely this question is going to ask, guys, for Java developer question, guys. So let's coming to the question, guys. So how can we merge multiple list into a single list? Suppose we have multiple list, one more than one list, like two list, three list, four list, but we want to merge into single list in very efficient way, even without using for loop also. So we have to how we will merge those lists. And same question which can be asked in different how to use flat map in Stream API, guys. Flat map also it is used for the quite similar purpose. So we should know how to use flat map in Stream API. So and if you really explain this question, guys, so it is going to always have a good impact to the panel, and definitely you're going to get selected in the technical discussion, guys. So this is the very simple logic using flatMap. We can merge multiple lists into single list and very efficient way. Like here I have given this logic. We have taken three lists, like list one, list two, list three, and we have taken one list of list. We are using array dot add list. We merge all the list into single. Then I am using this stream API method like stream flat map and list stream method. So it will merge all the list stream into single stream. So this is the main logic, guys. But I will explain this into IntelliJ code by like implementing properly in IntelliJ and running the code, guys. So let's switching to IntelliJ, guys. So here see, I have created one class merge multiple lists. Given this class name merge multiple list, and now I am going to show you how we can merge multiple list into single list, guys. Okay. So here I have taken public static void main method, and now we are declaring three lists. First list string list one arrays dot as list. I am taking only like two data like apple and banana, two fruits name. Just we can have multiples in real time. It will have multiple, guys, 10, 20, 100, 50, 1,000 also it can depends on the requirement. So but for explaining I have taken one small list. Same I have created another list string type i- list 2 arrays dot as list mango and orange. Sorry, guys. Now again third list I have taken list string list 3 arrays dot as list. This is banana and cherry. So in this list bucket I have banana and cherry two fruits. Now after this I am writing this line. This line is very important, guys. This line is very important. We have to understand properly this line. So in this we are taking one list of lists. See, list of lists. This list already having list of string. All these are having only string, list of string, but this is having list of list, and this is list is type of string because all these strings type of list are string type only. So now we are taking list of strings and just declaring list of lists. This is not list of string, guys. These are list of string, but these are list of lists. So we should be careful about. So here we are using arrays dot same method arrays dot as list, and we are passing all the list one, list two, list three, all we are passing here. Okay. So see, it will create list of list. It will not merge. Be careful. List. It will just create list of this list. It will create a list of list, but it will not merge all the list data into single list. So what is the purpose of this question, guys? This question purpose is to merging all the list into single list. So till here we have added in one list of we have created one list of lists into single list. Now we are going to merge all the list data into single list. So how it is going to happen? See, again we are taking one list of string type. Why string? Because all the list data is the string type only. Because this is all data is string type, that's why we have declared string list. Now we are going to use on this list of list, we are using stream method, and stream using stream it will convert into a stream complete list. And now we are using this flat map, guys. This is the most core logic or most important logic using flat map. How we can use flat map into stream API, how we can convert multiple list into single list, guys. So this flat map, and we are using list here, and we are using double colon operator, that is method reference, and we are calling stream method. We are calling flat map in stream method, which will convert into all the list into single stream. So this using flatMap, it will convert into single stream. Now we are just collecting collector.to list. Okay, guys, this we can use write in single line as well, guys. This is just two line of code, but we have to understand in this each word very carefully. Then only we can implement very confidently this logic, guys. We have to understand each word. What first, yeah, what first it is what first this we are declaring merge list. We are declaring this merge list. Suppose we can give name merge list. Okay, changing this. Okay, and this is list of list. This is not merge list, guys. We should be careful. This is list of the list, but this is not merged. It will be one single list, but it is not merged properly. Okay, so now it is merged list. So list after merging, what it is doing for merging all the data, it list of list dot stream. It is using flat map, especially this flat map method list and double colon stream method. This is going to use for the merging the stream from multiple list into single list, guys. So uh, after that, it is collecting into single list for merging. So we should know flat map list double colon stream this method, and just it will just printing this merge list. It will print the data. So let's I'm running this. So usually if we do dry run, what will be the output, guys, for this? See, we have in first list one apple, banana, and second list we have mango, orange. Third list we have banana and cherry. So what will be the merge list, guys? Merge list will be all the data from all the three lists like apple, banana, mango, orange, banana, cherry. It is clear? It will have all the data because list, so it will not remove even duplicate. Duplicate data also will be there because banana is here duplicate two times, but it will come two times, guys. It will come two times. I will show you the output, guys. Let's see. Let's see what will be the out. Okay, let's after running I can see this. Okay. See, it's simple order it is added. If we see in the same order it is added. Okay, as it is there in same order it is written banana cherry. Apple, banana, mango, orange, banana, cherry. It is same order it is added into single list. So here we can add here. Actually this I have not added. Okay. So all the this now this is returning the all the combined list like merge list three list we have merged into one single list. See how smartly this stream API is doing, guys. Earlier, if we could have done this using the collections dot add method and all those we have to iterate like for loop, we have to use lot of things. But we can use directly using flatMap, we can do this, guys. Okay. But this is very frequently asked interview question, and most of the time interviewer used to confuse for this question in usually in flat map. And many people are telling flat map guys to converting key value only map, but that is not the real thing. Flat map mainly used for flattening the data from the multiple list into single list or multiple stream from single stream, guys. So this was the logic. Here one more thing we can check. Suppose we are getting all the data here, but let suppose there are multiple lists. Suppose banana is coming two times, but we want only single time, guys. We don't want multiple times. Then what we can do? We can here use distinct. We can use distinct distinct method. So it will give only once, guys. See now, apple, banana, mango, orange, cherry. There is no two types times banana, only single times. So this is the use if you want like if you want to merge multiple list and we want the unique data from the list, we don't want duplicate. So we can use this distinct keyword with using flat map, guys. So this question two types it's asked mainly merging list of like multiple list into single list. Another also they will ask merge multiple list and keep only the unique data. So both the way we can explain if you know how to use this platform, guys. So hope this logic is clear, guys. If you have any doubt, please ping me comment box and this comment box is open for you 24 by 7, guys. And if you have any doubt or any important topic you want to understand, please ping me. I will explain you very concrete way, guys. Okay, guys. So thanks for watching so far. This video, like this video, hope you guys are learning and enjoying my videos. And if I have any suggestion to making more attractive videos or more useful, more value adding videos, so please do share your feedback and your suggestions into comment box. Definitely, I will look into that and I will work on that more like and I will work hard on that way also and I will improve the quality of the videos, guys. Because the main purpose is whatever I am presenting to you guys, it should be very understandable and very important topic and it should be very like uh, concise way and else should be in very practical way, guys. And I don't want to take any topic and just explain here and there and later you guys get confused. I want to explain the topic that should be very clear understandable, and very useful topic, guys. And it should be like in very simple way, guys. Also, I used to keep the things more and more simple and more like clear on the. Okay, guys. So that's all for today's. We will discuss next topic into next video, guys. Thank you for watching so far. Have a nice day, guys.